What's up guys, it is the Computer Compiler here, and this is a Supreme $1,200 gaming PC build for 2016. With this build, you will be able to play all of your games at very high to max settings. I hope you enjoy. The CPU that I chose for this build is the Intel Core i5-6600K. It has 4 cores, the LGA 1151 socket, and a clock speed of 3.5 GHz. Its turbo clock speed is 3.9 GHz. This CPU is a monster when it comes to gaming. It costs $220. The CPU core that I chose for this build is the Corsair H60. It has a fan RPM of 2000, a 30.9 decibel noise level, and a 120mm radiator size. It costs $60. The motherboard that I chose for this build is the MSI B150i Gaming Pro AC. It is a mini ITX motherboard and has the LGA 1151 socket. It costs $107. The RAM that I chose for this build is the Corsair Vengeance LPX series. It is a 16GB kit. It is DDR4 with a speed of 2400 MHz and has a CAS latency of 15. The cost of this RAM is $50. The SSD in this build is the Samsung 850 EVO. It has a capacity of 250GB and is a 2.5-inch drive. It costs $85. The hard drive in this build is a 1TB WD Black Series drive. It has an RPM of 7200 and allows you to store plenty of games in the rest of your files. It costs $70. The GPU in this build is the Asus GeForce GTX 1070. It is the Founder Edition video card and has 8GB of GDDR5X memory. It has a clock speed of 1.51 GHz and takes up approximately 150 watts of power. This is a beast of a graphics card. The cost of it is $450. The case in this build is the BitPhoenix Prodigy. It is the white version of the case. It has 5 3.5-inch bays, 1 5.25-inch bay, and it is a great mini ITX case for the money. It costs $76. The power supply in this build is the Corsair CX650. It is an ATX power supply. It is semi-modular and it is 80+ bronze certified. It costs $70. The operating system in this build is Microsoft Windows 10 Home 64-bit. This is a great operating system. It costs $85. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe. Peace.